Hi everyone, this is Teresa for the Yarn Shop Around the Corner. Because it is such a lovely day, I wanted to move outside, but the pool, whatever you call that thing, the pool, I don't know what it's called, my mind has gone blank, but whatever that thing is, it's making a lot of noise. And so Gus and I, this is Gus, we thought we would just sit out here in the grass and talk about this blanket. This will be a quick video because it's the last one on the Queen's Hats blanket, and I'm going to insert a video in here showing you a little bit about like how I really use it. But if you see this laying on the grass and that, like, you know, you're like, oh my gosh, Teresa, but then you need to know everything I ever make is to be used, is to be enjoyed, is to be played with. I want my granddaughter to lay around, and both of my granddaughters, but especially the little one, to play with the textures and to feel it and to be able to, you know, that's my whole point, is to make something that I enjoy and that I'll use in many ways. So I'm going to insert a video here of how I, even though Gus is just being perfect for the camera, I'm going to insert a video here how I typically use it in my office, which we've been calling the library, just, you know, for fun. But that's what these blankets are for. If you want to put it on the wall, do it. If you want to have it out so, you know, you can play with it and touch it and enjoy it or cuddle up with it, that's what you're supposed to do with them. That's anything I make, I want it to be something, you know, I use all the time. So anyway, since Gus is being such a perfect star there, I'll just let him be the camera work today, thank goodness, because I am not camera ready, but that's okay. Okay, so embellishments, let's get to it. These hats, as you know, were all sort of inspired. I say sort of because the hats that the Queen wore were so intricate and so beautiful that I could never make, you know, such a thing. I just don't have that level of crochet skill. And so, so this is all about embellishments. So I will say, I got this book, 100 Flowers to Knit and Crochet, and actually I think my friend Laura donated this. It could have been my friend Tracy, and now I'm going to be in trouble because it's going to be someone else and I said the wrong name. But one of my fiber friends donated this to the yarn shop, and so this is where I got my ideas. Now you see, you know, my poppy doesn't look like that one. I kind of always sort of tweak things. Like this flower was in the book, but it's actually two flowers put together. And then this is from Ophelia Talks Crochet. This is her flower, and then these are the centers that I just thought looked really cute. So turned them the other way. So and then I know the orange ones came from this book. These were just two, I think I watched a video tutorial. I'll find it. I'll put it in the description box below. You can obviously tell that's just a cute little pom-pom. This flower was from the book. These flowers were from the book. The bow tie or bow, I just made up. I did a little rectangular and then went around it. This is one of my favorites because it's a bookmark. There's so many beautiful bookmarks online, and so crochet tutorials. So that's where I got my inspiration from. You don't even need a book. You can just type in crochet flowers, and I know Ophelia Talks Crochet has lots on that channel of flowers, and so but really, think outside the box, you know. She had feathers, and here comes Molly to join us. Hi, Molly. We're all in a little bit depression here because we, one of our dogs has passed away. So they've actually been hanging out with me more. But anyway, so I hope that you will try this. I hope that you will, you know, come up with all of your own kind of embellishments. She had such amazing hats, and this has just been a fun project that was inspired by our late, not our, because I'm not a British citizen, but the late Queen Elizabeth. And I just think that it was so much fun, and I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that you really go crazy. Like this one, I wish I had done more. Some of them I'm like, oh, and over the years I might, you know, add to it. That's what's the fun thing about making projects that are just a work after something that you really enjoy. You can make all kinds of things. You can change it up. And so anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little series. This will be the last video on the Queen's quilts that I know of. And I don't know why I say quilts, but it reminds me of a quilt. And I think that's one thing that I did want to say is that, Gus, it's like you're saying it. But anyway, I think I like this because I enjoy quilting, and I don't have a lot of fabric, but I have a lot of yarn. And so it allows me to still sort of quilt in my own kind of way. But there you go. Embellish your hats. There you can get books, you can get tutorials, use bookmarks. This right here is just you chain, and then you, when you get the length you want, you put 2 single crochets in each stitch, and it'll make it have a ruffle. It is really that simple. Hope you all have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye. Say bye, Gus. And Molly's underneath the shed because she wants to cool off. All right, everybody, have a great day. Bye-bye.